hope you all are doing well. This is Kanika from Kolkata. This is my YouTube channel and it is regarding the French learning. So, this is welcoming all of you to my new YouTube channel. And I will come up with a lot of French learning videos. By the way, are you interested for French? If you are, so nothing to worry about because nothing can stop you to learn French. Because I am here to teach you French in a very easiest way. So, like my videos, subscribe my channel to be with me and follow my page. Thank you so much for watching this and definitely I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, God bless you, have a great day, bye bye.